Good morning, everyone. It is Rachel and welcome to Vlogmas day 15. It is like 6:50 in the morning. My daughter is still asleep and the baby is up with my husband. So I thought I'm going to try something a little different, and I'm going to tape in the morning before everybody gets crazy so I have a little time to work on this video. So today I'm going to do an Ipsy Glambag Plus unboxing. This literally just came in my mail yesterday and I saw it this morning, so I haven't even opened it. So let's dig into this. So recently I have been really liking this. This is, I believe it's like $27 or something like that shipped. It's not, it's basically on par with or just a little bit more than a regular BoxyCharm. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. So I just says Glambag Plus. They usually do a pretty good job of making it all nice and pretty. And then that's what my box looks like. All right, I've already seen the spoiler, so I have a good idea of what I'm going to get. It says, hey Ipsters, it's time to dig into your December glam bag. And then they always have a little handout about the different products here. So this is what it looks like, all packaged up. So let's just kind of dive in here. The first item here is the 111 Skin by Harley Street London. It's a vitamin C brightening booster. Again, I probably said this a bazillion times on my channel. Vitamin C and my skin are not usually a good friend. I may have to try it again, but this is supposed to brighten your skin. Vitamin C tends to cause me to break out, so I have been kind of shying away from this. This is not for resale there. But I may give this to somebody that does tolerate vitamin C really well. But this is nice. Let me see if they have the value on here. This is valued, oh, wow, $180. That's a lot, even for a serum. I don't know if that's true, but that's insane if that's the case. So it's a lightweight, oil-free vitamin C packed serum that's supposed to help hydrate the skin, diminish dark spots, and age spots. So maybe I'll try it again. Maybe I'll give it a go and see if vitamin C and my skin will get along better. We will see, but dang. All right. That's the first item. Sorry, I still am a little stuffy. I just took my Sudafed this morning. It has not kicked in, but all right. Next item here is Lancome product. Let's see what this is. So I've never actually owned any Lancome makeup. I have some Lancome lotion that's pretty nice. I just find their products are very expensive for what you get. So this is Le Monochromatic Haute Couture is the color. It is very bright. Let's see. Open it here. That's the color. Oh, wow. So I'm not sure I would use this as a blush. This is what you're supposed to use it. But as an eyeshadow, my goodness, that's a beautiful color. So that is very dark. It almost has like a orangey dual chrome shift. It feels very velvety soft. Yeah, this I'm not going to use on my cheeks, but this would make a beautiful eyeshadow. And it's a color that I would reach for. Let me see if they have a little bit more on this product. This is valued at $25. This is a cream to powder tint, so it does feel very creamy. Probably not as creamy as they'd like it to be. It says you can apply it to your cheeks for a natural looking flush, and your eyes in lieu of an eyeshadow, which I would definitely reach for that. Or you could put it on your lips for a kissable wash of color, whether you prefer a barely there flush or intense color. And it's packed with vitamin E. So that's actually really, like, now that I played with this, I saw this and I was not that excited about it because I was like, I don't think I'm going to use this color. But now that I know that it could go all those different places. Okay, my lips are really dry, but try that on my lips there. Yeah. Okay, I'm definitely going to play with this. This is very interesting. Very, very interesting. I like this. All right, next item here, guys, is the Smith & Colt Book of Eyes. This is the Eye Quad Palette in Interlude. Now, I have seen their stuff on the FabFitFun sales. on the website for blanking on which one it is, but for not Glossy Box, not BoxyCharm. I have way too many boxes. For Birchbox, and their stuff is super expensive. So this is the packaging. It's really pretty. And let's pop in here because I'm pretty sure, yep, I got the purple one. I saw this and I was so excited. Look at that. So pretty. So very pretty. Look at this color here. This is like a light grayish purple with like sparkles in it. Oh, that's so pretty. This one's like a darker purple. Wow. Yeah, this is beautiful. Okay. So this is absolutely stunningly beautiful, and this is kind of cheap. This is the little applicator they had with it. But yeah, that is absolutely beautiful. I am loving the color combo. So let's see how much this one is. So this is $44. Yeah, they charge a lot for their stuff. I would imagine for $44 the packaging would feel a little bit less cheap. It looks beautiful, but it definitely has kind of like this plasticky feel. And then you would think they would put in a nicer applicator, but they've got a full-size mirror and the shadows seem nice. I've never had their shadows, but yeah, I'm excited. This is really beautiful color. So I am happy about that. All right, next item here is the Ferrum Gold Face Brush Trio. I've never had any of their brushes, so I am not sure, but I always love getting brushes. So open this up here. They each have, oh, these feel nice. They each have a fancy little like brush holder thingy here. Oh yeah, these are really nice. These have like a indentation here, so your hands fit here. This is a duo fiber one, and then this is just like a fluffy face brush. These are nice. I like these. These feel very nice. Yeah, they feel very nice. These are our $40 value. They're supposed to be 100% vegan bristles with an application that is supposed to be a breeze, is what they say. So they have a large powder brush, which would be this one here. And then they have a stippler brush, applies creams and powders, and then the large angled contour brush. So they're saying this is a stippler blush. I like this for some of my cream blushes. It's got that thinner duo fiber on the outside and then the thicker packed bristles on the inside. And then your angled brush I really love for like a highlighter or a good blush. So these are very nice. I am happy with that. Do I think they're $40? I don't know. All right, next item in here is the Estee Lauder Pure Envy Sculpting Lipstick in Rouge. Let's see, this is a value of $32. I will be honest, I've never actually tried an Estee Lauder product. So let's see what it is. It looks like the color is probably going to be, what color is it? Envy. Oh, and Jealous. So the picture makes it look like it's going to be very colorful. It's $32. I feel like this glossy box, sorry. This Ipsy is very like old school makeup, like not the more hip like makeup that you see that's a little bit more unknown brands. This is like the old school mainstream makeup brands that you see at like the department stores. Oh wow, yeah, that is a red. Very pretty. I'm not going to swatch it because again, I don't know what I'm going to do with this color. It's a really pretty red. It's got like a pinky undertone, which actually wouldn't look bad. I kind of feel like everyone should have just a classic red, straight up red lipstick. And I don't actually own a just straight classic red lipstick like this. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this yet. But yeah, that is very nice. So basically, it says super pigmented lipstick with opaque wash of color with a single swipe. So I'm going to think on this because I don't reach for red lipstick hardly ever. I haven't really reached for my liquid lipsticks, but I may feel differently about it in a cream form. All right, and then the final thing, which I forgot I was getting this month, is a bag. Let me see if they talk about the bag on here. Nope, they don't. But this is the bag. This is really cute, actually. Like, this could be a clutch. Super duper cute. I know this is a makeup bag, but honestly, for like going out for parties and stuff, this could be a really cute like purse clutch. And look, it's one of these. I love these types of bags. This like the changes the color. So you'd be like, yep, I need a silver bag for my party. I'm going out here. Or nope, I need a dark blue bag for my party. But this actually could be used like a little clutch. I know it's a makeup bag, but this is freaking adorable. Like, I really do like this makeup bag. This is nice. So all in all, I thought this was a very good bag. I really did like it. I am hands down liking these Glam Bag Pluses. I thought this was very interesting. The stuff that they picked out this time. I don't know if I'm going to use 2 of the items, but I don't think they're bad items. And that's just a personal preference. I will probably end up keeping the lipstick, but I think that this is super cool. I am so excited about this. I was not excited when I saw it, but man, it is beautiful. And the brushes are really nice, and I do like the Smith & Colt, and I like the bag. So far, not unhappy. Do I think that this was my favorite compared to, let's say, BoxyCharm? No, BoxyCharm kind of hit it out of the park, but I also got a lot more items, and the BoxyCharm was a lot more expensive this month. So yeah, anyway, that's it, guys. I'm gonna try to post this up midday instead of waiting until late at night. It is a Saturday. I hope you guys have fun today. Enjoy time with family. I'm gonna hang out with my family today. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna post up yet. If you haven't had a chance, please go take a look. I have posted up a video. It's my glossy box for December, and it also has the giveaway winner announcement. I just want to make sure that the winner sees that I have announced them. I have not heard back from them, and I need to hear back by next week, or I will move on to my alternate winner. So anyway, thank you guys again for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave me comments. Bye.